Hey guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today we have exciting news. We found new putty and slime at Target and they're all $1. They're in like the $1 to $5 section. So first they had these cute little mini slime and it's jiggly slime and they have all different colors. And then the reason I bought a lot is because I might like add it in a giveaway. Like maybe I'll add like this and this in a giveaway, so maybe watch out for those giveaways. And then also we got these putty balls and they're also $1 for 3, so that's a good price. So this one, these colors are really pretty. This one's a clear one, it's like pretty clear. So even though it says party favors, we found these in the front of the store, like where the $1 section is. So I'm just gonna open it up to show you guys like how good it is and how cool it is. So first, I'm gonna open this mini slime, and it says 5 count. So there's like 5 for just $1. Okay, there we go. So I think this is like a jiggly slime. So let's see. Okay, so I got it open. Oh, whoa. Okay, so let me take it out. Oh, so cool. It's so clear. Oh. So it's like a jiggly slime. So that's pretty cool. And it comes in green, orange, and purple. So this feels like really cool. And if you rip it apart, it'll clump back together. And it doesn't stick to your hands. So I'm going to move on to the next item. So here are these putty balls. So let's open it up and see like how it feels and stuff. So I got it open. Wow. Whoa, this one's so pretty. Wow. Oh. Whoa. Oh, you can hear that pop a little. Oh. So you can see it has like some glitter in it. You can hear it poke a little bit. Oh, this one's so cool. So this is like a marble. Oh, there's like a little air hole here. Wow. It's so like glossy and very shiny. Oh, this one is so clear. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, so here's all like the little beads that they put in it. So that's all the putty. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and let me know in the comments which one is better, the slime or the putty. But in my opinion, I think both of them are cool because the price is just like, you can't really beat it. It's like $1 for like a lot of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye!